Okay, so you just went out and bought yourself a Timbren kit for your OBS Ford truck because you're a genius. You are the smartest person known to man. Why go with airbags? Airbags are dumb. Airbags requires more work. These are bolt-in. They're good for 6,000 pounds, and everything on the box. If you need a part number for the OBS Fords, that's the rear kit. It's the big tall one. I know they have the one Sumo. I think it's good for like 8,000 pounds. It's a little excessive. I've got a 4-inch skyjacker on this truck and 35-inch tires. So the factory kit is good and all. It comes with the 1/2-inch spacer that you see up top there, but it does not come with that 1-inch spacer that you see. I ordered all this off eTrailer.com. It's not bad. Pretty decent pricing anyway. I live up in the far Great White North, Canada, as we all love and know. So the only thing is you are going to need some special bolts. These are 3/8 by 24 bolts that come with the kit. It's all 3/8 by 24 fine thread, grade 5. If you got to go out and buy bolts, go out and get grade 8 in my opinion. Nothing wrong with grade 5. Either that or use a bit of red Loctite. So you're going to need a really long bolt if you got to go more than one spacer. So something to keep in mind. Removing the factory is pretty easy. Just, what is it? It's oh, I knew this one. Oh, it is a 15mm socket on top for the nut. You got to get a pry bar in here, work it a bit, bend it back and forth, work the rubber, she'll come off. This bushing though, nobody tells you how to take this off, they just say remove it. And all the videos you're going to watch on eTrailer are of those very nice southern Fords and Chevys and Dodges and Toyotas and whatever else you drive, because they're all rust free and beautiful. Anybody that drives an OBS knows that, well, anybody that drives Canadian trucks knows that it's not rust free and beautiful, it sucks. So you'll see the bushing up in there. The best way I can figure to get that out is what I figured out. You're gonna want to heat, once you clean it up, make sure there's no fuel lines, electrical, brake lines, hoses, stuff like that in the way. You're gonna see that on the driver's side over here. So make sure you watch it. But you're gonna want to torch that. Just a little propane bottle torch. Nothing crazy. Heat up around the outside. See if you can clean all the dirt and sand and whatever else you may be driving through from in behind that bracket. And then just go into your junk drawer. Either find like maybe a 3/8 punch, something with a 3/8 diameter that'll fit inside that. And well, before you do that, just give it a couple schmacks with a hammer, break all that rust and stuff out of there free, and then just start working it back and forth with, you know, screwdriver, a punch, a chisel, whatever, and that should get that out of there. And then you can continue on with the install instructions as per Timbren specifications. Hope that helps, and take care.